All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Hbar family. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right in today's topic and really understand what's happening with Hbar. It's going to be a long night for me because I have to make a few updates because, market has seen once again more downside. So everything we spoke about, literally everything we've been speaking about over the last, few weeks, pretty much since the month start, actually has become a reality. So obviously today is the last day of the month. I cannot believe you're all already 2 months into the year of 2025. And your time's going by very fast, but this month was a very bearish month. But as far as Bitcoin is concerned, it has nailed every single target that I set, and we've been speaking about. But a major bloodbath, as you can see across the board, double-digit drop for the broader market just today alone. If you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, you can really see for yourself how much fear there really is within the crypto space. But Hbar down about 8% right now, with the price currently sitting at 18.4 cents, down 0.7% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about $7.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $400 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to start off by taking a look at what's really happening with the dominance index. You guys know it's not a Crypto ZX update unless we have a discussion about the dominance index. And the dominance index is really doing something that you want to be happy about if you're an altcoin holder. And I'm going to explain why I'm saying this. You're not seeing the dominance index, either spiking up or making its way towards the downside. It's pretty stagnant around the 60.7% mark. Reason why it's a good thing is because, Bitcoin dropped below $80,000 right now. And usually you do tend to see, dominance, rising. And, when you see dominance rising while Bitcoin sees sharp drops like it has seen, you do tend to see altcoins going down much, much more. And right now, we've already seen a double-digit drop for altcoins. Imagine what we would have seen if the dominance, chose to go up and, maybe fill the 63 to 64% wick that we did see. So, those are some factors you don't really want to be forgetting. But if you're looking at Bitcoin, guys, here we have it, guys. Here we have it. Bitcoin dropped below the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Yes, Bitcoin dropped below the 38.2 zone. And what was the next target I was talking to you guys about? $80,000 Bitcoin. And will you look at that? We actually briefly went below that, testing $79,000. So, pretty much nailed the targets. I'm very, very proud of myself because the reason why I'm so proud of myself, and I know I've been seeing a lot of comments coming in right now, from a lot of viewers of mine saying, Crypto ZX, you called it. And yes, I'm proud of myself because at that time of me saying the potential of Bitcoin falling down to these levels, most people were saying, you're crazy to think that, these prices would become a reality. And here we are. Bitcoin is seeing these prices right now. And again, sometimes if you've been in this space for some time, these things become, normal to you. And, obviously over time, you do understand how market works. You understand how the charts, you can read the charts. And, we are obviously right now sitting in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And the scary part here is, and again, I know I'm kind of going on a little bit of a rant about, Bitcoin here, but it's very important. The scary part here is that, we don't really have any support until $76,000 now. If you lose the level where we're currently at, the next support is 76,000. Of course, if we drop below that, we could actually be making our way down to $73,574 right now. So, that's something that I want you guys to keep in mind. But with that said, let's really take a look at what's happening with Hbar right now, which of course is right now still in the 78.6 Fibonacci zone. But I want to kind of take it down memory lane real quick to really show you guys what happened in the last bull market. So if you're looking at the last bull market, we saw a top of 45 cents back on March 2021, and you can see this for yourself. XRP's price, Hbar's price dropped 66% from that high. So from where we currently are, we are already seeing a retracement of about a 55%. So obviously about a 11 to 12% more downside if it were to, replicate that exact move. But right now, look at what's happening with the price of Hbar. I really want you guys to understand this. Let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame. So you're looking at, Hbar actually making its way down right at the neckline, of course, on the 25th. But still right now, you're not seeing Hbar retesting that significant mark. And if you watch my XRP update last night, I indicated why that's happening. The reason why that's happening is because of dominance. Literally, simple as that. Dominance is not budging. It's pretty much stagnant as to where it was yesterday. So even though, Bitcoin did drop below the 38.2, it's really coming in the favor of, some of these coins. So, that's a good sign if you're an Hbar holder. But right now, as you know, there is a lot of fear, of course, if, Bitcoin does not hold around the support and indeed makes its way down to 76K range, then, I think we could actually see, Hbar going down to 15.5 cents, which of course is a major key resistance. Obviously, this was something that was very important for us to, turn into support. And after that, the rest was history. So right now, we could potentially retest this support line in the next few hours if Bitcoin does not hold where it is right now. So again, that would be a 15.6% drop, significant drop, of course, and that's going to happen right away. But of course, if Bitcoin sees these price actions that I'm talking about in dominance does budge a little bit, these are some realistic things to be looking out for. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions about Hbar? What excites you the most about Hbar? Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.